Mandeville. At Yam Park, about to try Teresa's roast yam and sweet potato with ackee and cook up saltfish. Then me hear a familiar voice.
Wait, Talon? Talon, what you doing here?
Can you believe me buck up on Camille? What my favorite Jamaican actress doing down here? Camille tell me she drive all this way just to get breakfast. I'm serious, stop me please. Camille is a foodie just like myself. No, it was time for the food. Teresa fixed me up nice. All avocado pear me get. I couldn't wait to dig in.
Teresa, my friend, you're going with things.
It's not like when you eat ackee and it's not too salt and the saltfish not overcooked. Definitely 10 out of 10. No doubt with it happy. Yam Park overlooks a mountain and it's so relaxing to just look at. Some say what's happening in Yam Park. And I started to do a little exploring and I had no idea that behind the shops there was a nice place you could have sit down and eat. Rich, green and lush. Of course, me never tell Teresa thanks again for the good. And she was already on her way to the next